Today I am going to show you how to make real gnocchi. This is my mom's personal recipe and she is cooking in the video. We will need potatoes, flour, water, eggs if you want to add them, and your favorite sauce. We cook the potatoes for about 8 minutes in the pressure cooker. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can boil the potato for about 40 minutes in a regular pot, until the consistency of the potatoes is the same you see in this video. Then you can stab them with a fork and lift them without losing them in the pot. Peel the potatoes while they're still hot, but be careful, don't burn yourself. Here, my mom is using cold water to help with the heat. Once that you peel the potatoes, put them on the side in a bowl and let them cool down. Once they are cooled down with the temperature, put the potatoes in a blender and mix them until you have mashed potatoes. For those that want to use also the eggs, this is the right moment to add them in the mixer. Transfer the mashed potatoes in a bowl and start adding some flour, a little bit of thyme, and mix it to get the right consistency, like a pizza dough. You can transfer the dough on the surface of your kitchen and then inglobate a little bit of thyme, the flour, in the dough. Take a piece of the dough and roll it into ropes, and then cut the rope into bite-sized pieces. And here you have the gnocchi. Cook the gnocchi in a solid boiling water until they come up to the surface and they float. That means that they are ready to be eaten. Drain the gnocchi and put them in your favorite sauce. My favorite sauce is ragu. And enjoy your meal.